Okay, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to create a relationship and a lookup with another table. Okay, so this is a table called orders, and you see I have the customer ID here. What I want is I want to create a relationship with the customer table and grab the name and maybe other information of this person into the orders. Okay, so this is how I do it. First of all, I'm going to make a connection. I'm going to call it customer, and then I'm going to say the value in this column customer ID matches the value in this column, which is customer ID. Okay, it's another matching. This is not a match one to many, so I'm going to leave it like this, and then I'm going to bring their name and their email, let's say. Okay, whatever I need I can bring it right here in this lookup. And that's how you create a relationship with a lookup.